Yes, welcome back to Daybreak. As we all know, the school holidays are coming up, and if you're traveling in big or small or medium-sized group, we'll show you some of the ways you can save up and still have a great trip.
Yes, it can be chaotic sometimes to travel in a big pack, but don't worry, it doesn't have to. To give us more tips is travel writer Ika Wulandari. Welcome to the show.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me here.
So holidays coming?
Yes.
How to plan a trip that doesn't rip our pocket.
That's the important thing.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, you need to do a lot of research.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very important.
Right.
Yeah. So usually when you are traveling, you divide the budget on the transportation cost and also the accommodation cost and meals. That's the main budget that you need to prepare. For the transportation costs, let's say airplane tickets, there are several tips that you can do to save the budget.
Such as?
Such as, first, follow all the mailing lists from the airline. Yes, it's important because sometimes they give you a
offer or
promo. Yes, and then the second, try to fly not from Indonesia but from our neighborhood country.
Why is that?
I just knew.
Yeah, why is that? I mean, we all want to know, you know.
Because it will cut
the cost
like half from the actual cost from Jakarta.
Let's say. Can you give us example?
Yeah,
For example, if you fly from our neighborhood country, let's say Kuala Lumpur or Singapore to Europe, it will cost like 4 or 5 million return ticket.
Really?
Yes, so it's like half.
Yeah, it's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, from Indonesia you will start like 10 millions.
Wow.
Yes, and you can use the half of your budget for your accommodations and meals.
And the thing is, for example, it isn't cost like 4 million to travel to Singapore or to Kuala Lumpur, right?
Yes,
so it's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, it's like sometimes you can get the ticket to Kuala Lumpur or Singapore with 500,000.
So you cut costs.
Yes.
Okay.
So how long we have to prepare for our trip before the date?
Ideally, it's between 4 to 6 months.
4 to 6 months.
Yes, because by that time they already got the price. Yes, the promo schedules. If you buy it like 1 year ahead, sometimes the price is not available.
Or it depends on if they have, for example, a festival of air shows and like that. Look, they have a cheap offers and everything like that. But more efficient when it comes to 4 to 6 months.
Yes, and that's also a good point that you can come to any travel fair. Yes, that's happening these days. Yes, and usually they also offer cheap tickets.
And for the accommodation, how we can like get affordable
accommodations. There are several things that you can try. If you like to mingle with the locals, you can try with the couch surfing.
Okay, that's so me right there. I like to mingle.
Yes. It's free.
Okay.
You don't need to pay anything in couch surfing, but you need to be mingle with the locals. So sometimes you need to provide or cook Indonesian food for them.
So
is it safe?
Yeah.
So far, yes.
It depends on what countries you go to, right? I mean, if you go to a war country, I mean, I don't think it's safe, you know. What's your own experience? Have you been to those kind of places?
Yes, I've done couch surfing a lot. In the website itself, there are like some good positive comments for the owner. So you just choose owner with positive comments.
Feedback,
yes. So that's one tip. And then the second one, usually this is for family with small children. You can try Airbnb.
Oh, that's me.
Yes.
That's more to her right there. I like to mingle. She lives with the family.
Yes. Because usually for people with small children, you need like the whole room that provide kitchen and also full access in the room itself, everything provided. Yes, because if you stay in the hostel, some hostel will reject people with family kids, yes. And in the hotel itself, sometimes the room is packed. It's not
and they
big
charge
enough.
you for like extra bed.
Extra bed, yes. For the Airbnb, they rent some apartment.
Okay.
Yes. So you have the whole apartment for you with the kitchen. So if you have babies, you want to make a meal, it's very easy.
With the whole experience that you've been traveling, your whole life or a period of time, for example, which country did you went through that is kind of a bit tricky, with the budget, or okay, this one has cost more, or the transportation has to, which country that you had trouble with the budgets?
Trouble with the budget so far.
Some city that we know that the living cost is high, and then how you can save in that country.
In Brazil.
Brazil.
Yes.
Okay.
Because first to go there, it's expensive from Indonesia.
Okay.
So
what did you go to first?
So if you want to cut the transportation cost, first you fly to Europe, and then from Europe to Brazil.
Okay.
And it will cut like half the cost for the transportation.
How long you will be like flying?
Yeah.
It takes 2 days.
because you said, for example, to go to Europe, you have to cut costs. You have to go to Singapore first, right?
Yes.
And after Singapore, you gotta go to Europe. Okay.
Yes.
Especially Olympics coming. Maybe you want to go to Brazil,
That's what I was talking about,
But it's worth
Is
the
it
money.
worth it? Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, what about also meeting with the locals over there? Is it safe? I mean, where we stay, or how do we know also if the hostel or the hotel's area are safe? Because all we know is just based on Googling or browsing.
Googling and browsing, that's also the first things that you need to do.
Right.
Research the place very good, and then sometimes you can ask recommendation from friends that live there.
Live in that country.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
So that's another point. And then the third one, trust your guts and instinct.
Yeah.
That's the one of the thing that you need to do also as a traveler.
And you will have that sharpened when you travel a lot.
Yeah.
And I'm going to return back to the point of meals. Like, how can you save from meals? Like, sometimes when you visit a city, you just want to eat where the local eat, or taste the most popular dish in that city. How you save from meals?
How I save. So this is the things that I do. Usually in every city that I visit, I always allocate a budget to try the local meal. Because sometimes the local meal
because expensive,
quite expensive. Yes. But it's worth the money. Yes. So every city I need to try the local meal. That's the first.